Are you a man after God's own heart? In the story of the prodigal son, we witness the power of forgiveness and the restoration of faith through God's boundless grace. Luke 15:20-22 KJV says, "But when he was yet a great way off, his father saw him, and had compassion, and ran, and fell on his neck, and kissed him. Bring forth the best robe, and put it on him." No matter how far we stray, God's love welcomes us back with open arms. Repentance brings restoration, and faith is renewed in his embrace. God bless you, brother.